This video will show you how to set up an external calendar feed in Evaluwise. First, you're going to click on the Settings tab on the left, and then go over to the Calendar Feed tab on the top. First, you'll want to set your time zone, so click the drop down and select the appropriate time zone. As you'll see in this text above, it tells you about what actually happens here. So it basically pulls your Evaluwise appointments into your calendar. So that would be any appointments you have scheduled on this front page here, which right in this section you don't see any currently. And it will pull those into either your desktop calendar or your internet calendar like Google, or a desktop calendar like Outlook, for example. Then you can determine whether you want to get all of the evaluation appointments that have been created in the schools or groups that you have authorization to view, or only the ones that you schedule. Now you're likely, unless you're at a district level, wanting to only have the ones that you are scheduling on your external calendar. There are two buttons at the bottom. There's a Send to My Email Calendar. That button would be for using something like Outlook on your desktop or another desktop-based calendar. The second one would be Email Calendar Link to Me. That's for a web-based calendar like Google. So if you want to do it in Outlook, you want to make sure you're on your computer that you have Outlook installed on and have Outlook open, and then you would simply click Send to My Email Calendar, and Outlook will pull those appointments over. If you have a web-based calendar, then you would click Email Calendar Link to Me, and that would send you an email that looks like this that says Evaluwise Calendar Sync. It'll have your name here, and it'll say if you want to set up a web calendar. So if you had Outlook and you were using Outlook Web Access, then you would use this link to set that up. And if you're using Google or a web-based calendar like that, you would take this link right here that says Gmail or Google Calendar, other online calendar, and you would copy that link, and then you would go into your calendar, and then down under Other Calendars, click the drop down Add by URL, and then you're just going to paste that link in there and add a calendar, and it's going to pull that from Evaluwise. Now keep in mind that Google Gmail only updates the internet calendars once every 8 hours roughly, so it's not going to be an instantaneous update, but that's how you would sync that. And again, it's a one-way sync going from Evaluwise to your calendar. It's not going to work going into Evaluwise from your calendar.